am here to teach you trick to learn respiratory quotient. But before learning the trick, let us discuss one interesting fact related to respiration. Do you know lungs are the only organs that float on water? Now moves on to the trick. Respiratory quotient or respiratory ratio, RQ or respiratory quotient, okay? As you know, in aerobic respiration, oxygen is used and CO2 is released, okay? Respiratory quotient क्या होता है? Volume of CO2 evolved or released to the ratio of oxygen used or consumed, okay? Now, let's move on to trick. Respiratory substrate. Respiratory substrate can be carbohydrate, fat or protein, okay? Respiratory substrate can be carbohydrate, fat or protein. When respiratory substrate is used as carbohydrate, तो RQ कितना आएगा? 1. Why? Because carbohydrate is completely consumed in respiration. Completely consumed होगा carbohydrate, so volume of CO2 evolved to the ratio of oxygen consumed is equal. When these both are equal, then RQ will be 1. When both are equal, then RQ equal to 1, okay? So RQ for carbohydrate is 1. When fat is used as respiratory substrate, so RQ is less than 1. For example, tripalmitin 0.7. And for protein, when protein is used as a respiratory substrate, so respiratory quotient, that is RQ is 0.9. कैसे याद रखेंगे इसे? Fats S for 7, so tripalmitin 0.7. Protein N, protein में N आ रहा है, N for 9, so 0.9. S for 7 to 0.7, protein में 9 आ रहा है, N for 0.9, okay? But remember, pure protein and fats are never used as respiratory substrate, okay?